As you can see, we are now in a dodgy hotel room in London. Because we still don't have a place to stay. Today we can maybe go to Southport. We still have to find out if Mehmet is gonna call us. And then we can stay there for 4 days until we either find a job in Scotland, go to an interview for a job that we already found in Scotland, or come back to a flat that we put a deposit on in London, but without a job. So it's nog steeds crossroads.
Koy beydima hege